our examples for solving equations by combining like terms. So for these equations, we will have like terms that we are able to combine. And once we combine any like terms, we can look to solve. Now, if you need help with what terms are or what like terms are or combining like terms, I have videos that just focus on those topics, and those links are down in the description. Now, will every equation that we come across have like terms that we can combine before solving? No, but it is something to look out for. So let's jump into number 1, where we have 4x minus 11 plus 2x equals 13. Now, looking at this equation, do we have any like terms that we can combine? Yes, 4x and 2x are like terms. So we can combine them in order to simplify that side of the equation, and then we can look to solve. So combining 4x and 2x, we get 6x. So 6x, and then bring down the rest of the equation. So minus 11 equals 13. So now we have 6x minus 11 equals 13. We simplified that left side of the equation. And now we have a two-step equation that we need to solve. So we need to isolate that variable of x. And remember, we use inverse operations in order to do so. And we need to go in the reverse order of operations. So we need to undo the subtraction first. So what's the inverse operation of subtraction? Well, addition. So let's add 11 to the left side. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So add 11 to the right side as well. Now on the left side, we are subtracting 11 and adding 11. So these 11s cancel each other out. And now we have 6x equals, and then on the right side, 13 plus 11 gives us 24. And now we have 6x equals 24. So 6 times x equals 24. We need to undo that multiplication. What's the inverse operation of multiplication? Division. So let's divide the left side by 6. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So divide the right side by 6 as well. Now on the left side, we are multiplying by 6 and dividing by 6. So these 6's cancel each other out. X is now isolated. So we have x equals, and then on the right side, 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. So x equals 4. That's our solution. And remember, we can check to see if we are correct by plugging in what we get and seeing if it works. So let's plug in 4 for x. Let's go down below where we have some room and check here. So 4 times 4 minus 11 plus 2 times 4 equals 13. So let's start with multiplication. We have 4 times 4, which is 16, minus 11 plus, and then we have 2 times 4, which is 8. So we have 16 minus 11 plus 8. 16 minus 11 is 5, plus 8 is 13, so we are correct here. X equals 4. Let's move on to number 2, where we have 29 on the left side of the equation equals negative 4a minus 6 plus 7. And that's on the right side of the equation. So do we have any like terms that we can combine? Yes, we have negative 6 and positive 7. So we have two constant terms here, just numbers, and we can combine them. So combining negative 6 and positive 7, so negative 6 plus 7, that gives us positive 1. So we now have negative 4a plus 1 on the right side of the equation, and that equals 29. So negative 4a plus 1 on the right side equals 29 on the left side. So we simplified the right side of the equation by combining like terms. And now we have a two-step equation that we need to solve. So let's isolate that variable of a. We need to undo the addition first. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So subtract 1 from the right side. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So subtract 1 from the left side as well. Now on the right side, we are adding 1 and subtracting 1. So these ones cancel each other out. We now have negative 4a equals, and then on the left side, 29 minus 1 gives us 28. So we have negative 4a, negative 4 times a equals 28. We need to undo that multiplication. What's the inverse operation of multiplication? Well, division. So let's divide the right side by negative 4. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So divide the left side by negative 4 as well. Now on the right side, we are multiplying by negative 4 and dividing by negative 4. So these negative 4's cancel each other out. A is now isolated. So we have A equals, and then on the left side, 28 divided by negative 4. So a positive divided by a negative. That's going to give us a negative. 28 divided by negative 4 gives us negative 7. So A equals negative 7. That's our solution. And let's check that by plugging in negative 7 for A. So we have 29 equals negative 4 times negative 7 minus 6 plus 7. So let's multiply first. Negative 4 times negative 7. So we have a negative times a negative. That equals a positive. So this gives us 28. So we have 28 minus 6 plus 7. 28 minus 6 is 22. And 22 plus 7 does give us 29. So we are correct. A equals negative 7. And then lastly, for number 3, we have 5g plus 8 minus 3g equals 40. Do we have any like terms that we can combine? Yes. 5g and negative 3g. So we now have 2g plus
Also,
8
his G's are being
equals
weird and they
40. So we simplified the left side of the equation by combining like terms, and now we can solve this two-step equation. So let's undo the addition first. What's the inverse operation? Subtraction. So subtract 8 from the left side and subtract 8 from the right side.
Watch.
On the left side, we're adding 8 and subtracting 8, so these 8s cancel each other out. And now we have 2g equals, and then on the right side, 40 minus 8 gives us 32.
That's
So now
the
we have
incorrect
2g
way.
equals 32. 2 times g equals 32. How do we undo that multiplication? Well, we use the inverse operation, division. So let's divide the left side by 2. That means we need to divide the right side by 2 as well. We are multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2 on the left side, so these 2's cancel each other out. G is now isolated. And then on the right side, 32 divided by...
Hello?
Hi, food shares here for the volunteers.
Okay,
I can do it.
You? No.
not right
2
now.
gives us
I know who it
16.
is.
So
Just
G
not right now.
equals 16. That's our solution. And let's check that solution by plugging 16 in for G. So let's plug in down here. We have 5 times 16 plus 8 minus 3 times 16 equals 40. So let's multiply first. 5 times 16 is 80, so we have 80 plus 8 minus, and then 3 times 16 gives us 48. 80 plus 8 is 88 minus 48, so 88 minus 48 does give us 40. We are correct. G.
Okay, make sense?
Yeah.
We have to put the like stuff together, so let's do this. So we're gonna do, we've got two we're gonna do together. And then those, like we've been doing, those that feel comfy can go ahead with the actual task. If you want to do it together, the rest of us can do it together. Okay, so write this down. We have 3x plus 12 plus x equals 48. So I've given us a hint in the example questions of what we need to do to put the like terms together. So we need to add the 3x and the 4x. So if I have 3x and I add one more x, how many x's do I have?
4.
4x.
Go up.
So I need to put down 4x. Okay? Then the rest of the equation's going to stay the same. Haven't touched the 12 yet.
I honestly just guessed 4.
Well, 3 plus 1 is 4. You can do that. Equals 48. Now this looks more like something we're used to solving. So what do I need to do first? Which number do I need to deal with?
12.
The 12. Because I got to do the adding and subtracting first.
Yeah.
What's the opposite of plus 12?
Division and subtracting.
Got to subtract. So I'd have 4x plus 12 minus 12. What I do to one side, got to do to the other. What can I cross out? Good job. What am I left with on the left?
4x.
Good stuff. What is 48 take away 12?
36.
What's my next step?
Dividing.
By?
4.
Good stuff. What cancels out?
The 4s.
The 4s. So all I'm left with over here is x. 36 divided by 4 is?
Is 8. 8.
Is it 8
Yeah.
or 9?
Oh.
It is 9.
It's not 10 whatsoever.
Be amazed. All right, example B. 3x plus 12 plus 2 equals 25. We've got to put our like terms together in this question. It's the 12 and the 2. 12 plus 2 is what?
14.
Good job.
Oh, I got that right.
So I'd have 3x plus 14.
Why is it big?
25. Now this looks more like we've been doing for forever
I
and
don't
ever
like
and
how it's
ever.
big.
What's our first step? What am I dealing with first? Good job. How do I deal with it, Paisley?
Get rid of it.
Good stuff. Negative 14 on one side means I gotta take away 14 from the other side. What can I cross out?
14s.
14s. What am I left with on the left?
3x.
Good stuff. 25, take away 14, gives me what? What do I do now?
Divided by 3.
Good job. What can I cross out?
3s.
So x equals, come on calculator people.
Yeah, I got you.
11 divided by 3. You've got one too, it's in your computer.
My computer can't.
Right, so 3.67 will round.
6, 7. I think I heard it's because this one guy that like had an interview and he said like 6, 7. Like, he said his height, so I think that's what it is. I'm not too sure.
Okay, can I scooch up? Okay, so there are 8 questions. If you, what? Okay, so if there's two X's together, you gotta add them together. If there's two numbers together, you gotta add them together. So like in this case, I've got this and this. No, we're gonna add them together because they're on this side and the equal side. Right? So we would have 5X.
Stop!
Okay.
Don't talk to me, loser.
So
I'm gonna be like, totally.
then I would need to take the X away from this side and bring it over here.
Do you need to show me?
Do it with us.
That's a Vaseline one and it has a
Okay, why are you here? Are you well?
Woke up in a new Bugatti. I see the shadows.
Alright, if you wish to do it together, I am willing to do so. If you are confident, you don't need to go at our pace.
Just confused on the first.
Max, you're not sitting there. Because I said so, and I've asked people to be at their own spots 93 times. Your spot. Max, I'm asking you to be at your own desk. Are you here to work?
Hey, no, it's not church.
Max,
Wait, you can go back there to work then?
they're working at my desk.
Wait, you can go back there to work?
What?
You can go back there to work?
Can I go back?
When I dropped it, it went like.
Wait, can I see? Can I see?
Well,
Oh. Oh. Whoopsie. Ah.
You dropped it.
You dropped it. You said you dropped it.
I watched you do it.
How does that even happen?
Okay, so here we go for the people that are working at my pace.
That's the one that's never broken out.
Alright, so question 1. If you're working on your own, that's fine, but your volume can't be higher than mine. Bentley, take it downstairs. Max, no, just take it down so that they know so they can get it fixed. Max, sit at your desk, please. Like you're not in trouble, it happened, we just need to get it fixed.
But then they're gonna lecture him. I've been down there before.
Okay, so question 1.
They're gonna lecture
3x plus 10 plus 2x equals 50. Okay, there are like terms in this question. What are the like terms?
2x and 3x.
Same thing.
2x and 3x
5x.
are like terms. So 2 plus 3
That's 5.
is 5. And they're x's, so you have to have 5x.
So that's how this works?
Yep. We haven't done anything to the 10. We haven't done anything to the 50.
Okay, this seems
Okay,
easy.
that's what I thought.
Okay, what do I deal with?
The 10,
How?
Subtract.
you subtract.
Yep.
I
If
would
I
say
subtract it from one side, what do I gotta do to the other?
subtract.
Good job.
Equals.
Alright, what can I get rid of?
What's the signal?
No, it's not. What can I get rid of?
The tens.
Good.
So you're left with
I'm
5x.
left with 5x.
And then you're left with 50.
50 take away 10.
Same thing. 40, yeah, same thing. Yeah.
There's a 10 difference.
Now what do I gotta do?
Divided by 5.
Because that is what the x.
What can I cross out?
The 5.
5s on
Trust.
So I have x over here. What's 40 divided by 5?
I forgot. Yeah, 9.
8.
8.
Because I almost choked.
That's wild.
is like 10.
If you're working on your own, take a hot sec every now and then to check what we're doing, just to make sure you're doing it right.
My knees hurt.
Like just to check your answers.
But me and Lisa done math. This kid is not like she's gonna do big show with me and
Yeah.
so we'll just go down.
Perfect.
Like this is good.
Which can't be that hard to do.
Okay, 2. 6x plus 10 plus 2x equals 42. What are my like terms?
6 and 2.
Good. The 6 and the 2. 6 plus 2 is what?
8.
So I would have 8x. Haven't
42.
touched the 10. Haven't touched the 42.
Oh my god.
Making sense?
No, yeah.
Which one do I gotta deal with first?
10.
Good. So if it's plus 10, I'm going to
Yeah. Divide it and then multiply it. So subtract.
subtract. If I take it away on one side,
You have to take away on the other side.
then take it away on the other side.
10.
What can I get rid of? The 10s. What am I left with on the left? Good job.
Stop. Don't talk to me, loser.
42 take away 10. What is
32.
32?
And then we divided by
Now what?
I was just confused on
8.
the first
Divided by 8.
But it gets difficult. There's like different types.
She has to put a heat ticket in.
Yep.
A heat ticket? What's that? Well, maybe you
What
do
can I
need
get
that.
rid of?
Then you may want to get your other computer. Maybe it was a sign.
Brody,
Take one of those for now.
One of these ones?
Don't drop it.
It might need to be charged. What can I cross out?
8.
The 8s.
I knew that.
So I'm left with x equals, what's
X.
32 divided by 8?
4. Yeah. Same thing. Yeah, I knew that.
Take control.
Hi. Sounded like
I sneezed.
imagine going back down to the office. So
Spaghetti?
Oh, my knees.
2x plus 20 plus 2x equals 60. What are my like terms?
60.
What are my like terms?
Things. 2x and 2x.
2x plus 2x
Which is 4x.
is 4x.
So smart, guys.
Haven't touched the 20.
it's 2020.
Oh wait, I meant to put 4. I just ruined my whole question from one mistake. I meant to put 4.
That's crazy.
There you go.
Okay, what do I gotta do now?
Things. 4x. You get rid of you get rid of 20. Yeah, same thing.
How?
Divide it. No. Multiply. Subtract. That's what I was trying. I can't find the word from the top of my head sometimes.
What is wrong with my alt? It's quick. Oh,
Okay, what can I get rid of?
20. What? Yeah? Yes? No? Yeah? Yeah, smart guys.
Avery, do you need to sit somewhere else?
4x
That's not even your
equals
spot.
40. It's 40.
That's a very risky placement.
What do I do now?
Then you divide it by 4.
Now what?
You divide it. Oh,
Good job.
wait, I forgot about that. X equals 10. Sorry, guys.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
What are you doing over there, man?
I'm playing Minecraft.
Trust.
I'm waiting for the next question because I'm ahead. I'm on question 4.
I'm on question 4 and I'm confused.
I'm gonna just skip question 4.
How do you get rid of what?
Wait, that makes no sense. What?
I added it to the other 2x to make 4x.
Easily turn this up.
Hey? This is sorcery.
That's what you do with the two.
So they're the like terms. 2x over here and the 2x over here are like terms because they're both x's.
I've already seen this.
So I added them together to get 4x.
I like the girl one.
I really do think you should take us to the Minecraft movie for a field trip.
Desmond played Red Canada.
Can you think about it?
I can think about it.
Let's go.
Okay. This one's a bit trickier because we have 3 x's going on, but they're on 2 different sides of the. Yep. 2 different sides of the equal sign.
Equals
So let's just focus on this side.
This is
Do I have like terms?
Yeah. No. Yes. No. Maybe so. Maybe so.
I don't know.
Yes. No.
Well, look at it. Do I have things that look the same?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
X and X.
Well, if I have 1 x and then I have another x.
You make an X.
How many x's do I have?
2x.
1 X.
I've got 2
Oh, I forgot about that. Well,
Haven't touched the 12 yet.
how does 1 X even exist?
Wait, what?
Can 1 X exist?
Okay, so I've got 2x. Haven't touched the 12. Haven't touched the 18x. I've got to move the other x, the 2x, over to the other side where 18x is.
You get rid of the 12 because you have beef with it for some reason.
Well, hang on. I got to move that x first.
Well, the
because it's
signal.
like terms.
Oh my god.
So how am I going to move this x from here and put it over here?
You move it.
How?
You pick it up.
Well, if I picked it up and moved it over, that's the same as doing what to it?
Oh, divide. No.
Not divide.
Oh, I guess so multiply. Subtract.
I got a minus 2x. I got to take it away. So I would
Wait, so
2x
16x.
Take away 2x
16x.
plus 12
16x.
equals 18x minus your 2x.
Yeah.
Did you just
Wait.
What is this yap? You gotta be patient.
Okay, what can I now get rid of on the left?
The 2x.
The 2 x's. So what am I left with on the left?
Oh. I'm so.
I've got 12.
I'm not really understanding it.
I had 18x, 18 cookies. I took away 2 cookies. How many cookies?
16.
16 cookies.
12.
Miss, I'm not even done.
So 18 minus 2 is 12.
Give me.
All right, I gotta make that x be all by itself. How do I do that?
It's lovely.
Yeah.
We can break up with his partner.
16 divided by 6.
X equals
What can I cross out?
16x.
X over here. 12 divided by 16.
0.75.
Hey, you cheater.
Can I leave it like
Do it
that
in my
in
head.
algebra?
I don't have calculator.
No.
What that guy did in that video.
You were.
No, it was not.
We always had the X first.
You're lying.
No, he didn't. And the second question didn't.
My life, you're lying. Wait, no, I would never. That's cheating.
I told you, don't wait for me, and you didn't listen.
I used it before.
Skibbity.
I never used it.
Hey, I'm not
Love
done. Equals eggs.
Over half of
Eggs
It's a
equals.
good number. It's a nice round number.
I love round numbers.
Okay, what are our like terms?
7x and 3x.
Good. So 7x and 3x. 7 cookies and 3 cookies make how many cookies?
Not,
10
not,
cookies.
that's not that confirmed.
I'm not gonna say.
We haven't moved this 10.
I've already did this question. I really have. I really have.
So many times.
I know.
Wait.
Okay, what number am I
Bro.
dealing with first? The 10x or just the 10?
A regular 10.
I do not exist before.
What do I always deal with first?
Subtract.
Do I not even exist anymore?
Wait, this is so idiot.
What?
How are you done already?
One.
I don't know.
10x
Oh no.
I'm not. Wait.
plus 10
I just.
Oh my god.
minus 10.
10,
No, it's not you.
If
It's
I
not you.
take away 10 from one side, I gotta
Same
take
thing.
it away from that. It's loud all of a sudden. Yes, I know.
I
Joseph
can't
told me.
click.
Like literally.
I tried saying to like wait.
Max, you need to be mathing, please.
I'm gonna raise-
Miguel, mathing, please.
Crash out.
Okay, what can I cross out?
10 and 10.
Yeah.
So 10x equals 120, and then the 110.
Yeah, 110.
Same thing. Yeah, whatever. Excuse me.
So now what?
Then you divide it by 10.
I'm skipping questions.
Oh, you're a nerd.
10x equals 10.
What can I cross
I
out?
don't know how to do it.
I'm thinking.
What am I left with on the left?
X
28.
Equals.
wait,
6.
Don't overthink this one. We're dividing.
11.
by 10.
11.
Oh yeah, I'm so good.
Is the answer. I got it before you.
What the Sigma, man? Yeah, Brody, be nice.
Brody got the answer.
I literally had it before him.
Is that song by Adele?
What?
Oh, who's that song by?
It's old.
No, you said
Who's that song by?
11, same thing.
Okay. X
I was paying attention.
plus 20
I like this.
plus 2x
What's
Is it
the
3x?
equals 56. Good job. So my like terms are the x and the 2x,
wait?
which would give us 3x
I'm gonna rage quit.
I'm
plus
actually.
20.
Ow, my nose.
It's 56.
I'm starting to understand.
Wait, what? I'm on question 7.
I'm trying to not understand.
There's a light in the way. I can't see.
Is it from the middle row of lights? You can turn the row of lights off.
No, it's from the projector. It was on the projector. The light, like the right blob of light is
I
in the
can't fix
projector.
that.
Yeah, it was always there.
What do I need to get rid of first?
20.
The 20. How do I do that?
We have beef with the 20 for
So-
some reason.
Whoa,
So just how I have beef with the Volkswagen Beetle. You know, just go and catch up with why.
You guys working over there?
No.
Real, this is my
No.
life game. So my
Working.
Brody wants to become a drug dealer.
What?
He just told me like everything.
No, that's a birdie thing. That's a birdie thing to do.
3 times the price. I make
Okay,
bank.
what can I
and then
cross out?
What?
That's my life.
Help.
Hey, what can I cross out?
3. No, not 3. 20.
Bro, just keeps looking at me.
So you end up with 3x.
Never.
36.
Good job.
Skibbity skid.
Oh wait, I just did 16.
Skibbity skibbity hawk to a hawk.
Then get rid of 3.
Now,
X equals.
I don't actually know how.
3x means 3 times x.
Divided.
So you get rid of the times.
Yep, so I gotta divide.
12.
5.
What crosses x?
X. Wait, no. 3. Think that.
What?
Wait, no. I think it was.
36 divided by 3.
It's a 12.
12.
Excuse me.
Lord, man.
I'm ready.
I'm on question 8 with you guys.
All by myself.
That's
Which
the
one did you get
Oh
for
my
number
goodness,
7?
that's literally the last question.
Did you get for number 7?
Yeah, finally, last question.
I got 3. 12 divided by 4.
What the Sigma, man?
Well, I just had to make sure if I got the steps right.
What the Sigma?
Oh, this one's actually decent.
Okay, what are my like terms?
12.
Oh no.
Wait, what? 2x and 2x. 2x and 12 would be
2x plus 2x.
stupid to
Good
me.
job.
Oh,
Where'd I
you
get
got
16 from?
Okay. I thought 7.
Wait! I need my little brain to process everything.
Okay, what term am I getting rid of first?
16!
Good, how?
You divide it.
No.
No, you multiply it.
16.
No. Subtract it.
Wrong question.
I said it wrong.
48.
The wrong thing.
Wait! My little brain needs to process everything.
Now 48. 58.
I'm not even done writing.
12 minus 52.
What can I cross out?
Oh, wait for me. I'm a boy.
What can I cross out?
Oh,
Leave him be.
You guys, don't say anything. I need to write things down.
Minus the
No,
2.
because 10 minus
No, I need to write
What am
things
I
down.
left with?
No!
60.
No.
What am
said
I
10
left
minus
with?
76.
No, look.
Wait! I'm being bullied here. Oh,
See? I told you.
What am I left with on the left?
12.
Get on my level.
On the left.
What? No, 4x
4x.
equals 12.
What do I do now?
You divide the 4.
By 4. By 4.
What can I cross out?
The 4s.
What am I left with on the left?
The
Well, man, I'm about to do
X equals 3.
Yeah.
I'm so smart.
Wait, does that mean I get free time now?
Alright,
I
last
finished.
question.
I'm playing Minecraft.
Racks knuckles.
Paul, my
So-
controls now. What the hell?
So,
I get free time?
Don't be annoying. Don't bother people who aren't done.
What chapter?
so
I'll be a good boy.
after I do the last question, can I go to the bathroom?
Did you just say I'll be a good one?
Okay, what are my like terms in number 8?
3x and 9x.
I forgot.
How many x's?
Wait!
2x.
I'm not even done writing. This is bully.
12.
12x.
I ain't trying to tell you stop.
Is 72.
Oh my god. Makes you to rage quit a life.
What do I need to deal with first?
I don't know. 72.
No.
Same thing. I need to write things down.
You subtract
Ugh.
the 12.
Good job.
I'm so good at this.
I need to write things down. Believe you. Writing things down.
It's for
My smooth brain is not being able to process anything.
like math. They're gonna take notes for an hour.
My smooth brain is being.
My parents sent this year.
My smooth.
What am I crossing out?
12.
What am I doing?
What am I left with on the left?
Wait, what do you mean? 12x.
On the left, 12x.
I'm so smart, guys.
What am I left with on the right? Ellen already said it.
60.
What the 64? Oh, what the hell?
Now what?
You divide the 12.
Good job.
Trust. By 12. Trust. Is my
What can I cross out?
Is it what? No, this 12. Goody me. I'm so smart, guys. Please.
I'm left with x
Be
equals.
bully. 63.
5?
60. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so good at this.
63. What is it again? 12? Yeah.
12. 60 divided by 12 is 12.
Alright, so can I go to the
Yay. Yay, free
Make a little
time.
bit of sense?
No.
A little bit okay?
No, I don't get it at all. Sorry.
What's up, miss? What? I know.
Hey.